I need more time. I need more time. Just be yourself. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. That was really fast. That was really fast. I can do this. I can do this. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. It's too noisy here. It's too noisy here. This looks amazing. This looks amazing. I love this place. I love this place. Let's visit tomorrow. Let's visit tomorrow. He is my friend. He is my friend. She is very smart. She is very smart. They are my friends. They are my friends. I am learning English. I am learning English. You are very helpful. You are very helpful. I enjoy long walks. I enjoy long walks. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. It is raining now. It is raining now. I need some water. I need some water. She looks beautiful. She looks beautiful. He looks very smart. He looks very smart. They are playing music. They are playing music. We are almost there. We are almost there. You are always welcome. You are always welcome. This make me happy. This make me happy. It's very quiet here. It's very quiet here. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. I really like this. I really like this. That sounds amazing. That sounds amazing. You look so happy. You look so happy. I'm just relaxing. I'm just relaxing. That was just fun. That was just fun. I'll text you later. I'll text you later. I totally forgot that. I totally forgot that. I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I'm coming soon. I'm coming soon. Please stay safe. Please stay safe. It's really important. It's really important. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. That's not true. That's not true. Just wait for me. Just wait for me. Let me try first. Let me try first. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. It's my turn now. It's my turn now. I'll call you soon. I'll call you soon. I feel so fresh. I feel so fresh. That's really funny. That's really funny. It's not working. It's not working. Shall we start now? Shall we start now?